If this last year has taught us anything collectively, the world as we know it can change in the blink of an eye. But love, connection, and family will live on forever.
You make me feel all the love that I have lost in my lifetime. You've helped me see myself through your eyes and make me feel like I'm enough.
I thought an hour ago that I loved you more than any man has ever loved a woman, but half an hour after that, I knew what I felt was nothing compared to what I felt then. But 10 minutes after that, I understood that my previous love was a puddle compared to the high seas before a storm. Your eyes are like that, you know?
You are kind and genuine and passionate. You strive for greatness, for knowledge, and for what's right. You're sensitive, reflective, and accepting. You treat me like the most important person. I never have to doubt or question your love for me or your desire to accept and support me. You're my best friend and my person, now and forever. I promise to continue to be adventurous and spontaneous with you, but not too much. I think declining cocaine from that guy in Jamaica was probably a good idea.
When Sara began to share about Nate more often in our conversations, I was hopeful, like any good friend would be, that he would be a good match. After hearing bits and pieces about Nate and seeing pictures of the two of them fishing and hiking and going on all types of new adventures, I had a feeling that Nate was more than someone, just someone special. In the same way that Sara immediately creates a sense of belonging, Nate does just the same. He's goofy, he's empathetic, and incredibly thoughtful, and most importantly, he loves our Sara so very much.
3, 2, 1.
Hi.
I love you. I'm so excited to marry you.
I think we found something great. Never be afraid.
What we have doesn't just happen. Love takes time and love takes work. And we've worked really hard to get where we are today.
So if you're gonna run, then run with me.
I promise you that when things get hard, when you and I feel like we're at a loss, or when the negative feelings consume one or both of us, I promise to take a step back and focus on the big picture, on what really matters.
Because there's no love like our love.
I promise that I'll never stop trying to impress you. I promise to communicate my needs and wants without assuming that you'll just know. I promise to own my mistakes and work towards resolution instead of being right. I promise to keep the spark that we're feeling right now alive by always making you feel loved and wanted. And I promise to keep being my honest, genuine self.
I promise to do what I can to set Maddie, Riker, and Max up to be happy, healthy, and successful.
So if you're gonna run, then run with me.
I love you without knowing how or when or from where. So close that your hand on my chest is mine. So close that your eyes close with my dreams.
Oh, but I swear I'll keep you safe. Right here.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sara, you may kiss your groom.
So if you're gonna run, there's
And finally, and most importantly, I promise to always love you.